So we're in a kind of a morning market here, and with my friend right here, Lance, and
look at that. Just look at it. Won't you look at it? Look how beautiful it is. Look at this, dude. These little crackers. Got some sesames. There's some of that. I bet this is made of sugar cane. Another kind of rice cracker. Different colors going on here. This might be dates. Sweetened dates. These are nice looking things here in the market. Actually, I'm surprised. Very nice. Big bowl of rice noodles.
So we are gonna follow Lance.
Grab you.
And I gotta watch what he's looking at in the market today. So right, that's our plan for this one.
Yeah, we're just gonna look around a little bit.
So welcome to Thailand. Prachuap Khiri is where we're at today. 2023, COVID is over, and we're on a road trip. I'm with a good friend of mine. We're gonna be doing lots of different cities all along the coast, not too far from Bangkok. So stay tuned and check it all out.
Obviously lots of fish products here, dried shrimps, dried fish, possibly fish. Little slippery here, a lot of water, a lot of slippery fish action going on here.
Hello.
Mango action. I think this is ginger going on here. I think that's ginger. Yeah. Go in the middle, see what's going on over here.
Sounds good.
Cashews. Yeah, Thailand, Vietnam, get some cashews are very nice. Grown down here, so if you're a cashew lover like me, you get a good price. Torai. 150. It's 150. So that's about a little less than $4 for that bag of cashews. A little less than $4. That would easily be a good price in America. Would be maybe $10 or so. Fresh cashews. Thai chili peppers. This is some kind of a curry, some kind of a paste. They make their curries.
Yeah, I saw that yesterday. I saw some big mounds like that.
They just scoop it and weigh it. All right.
What?
This is sugar cane in little bricks.
Wow.
This is yeah, coconut sugar. There's just a little bit more than $1 for this bag.
Wow.
It looks like we got some friends in there hanging out. Must be good. They're chilling.
Wow.
That's cheap. Very cheap.
Thank you. This is all garlic right here, eh? It's like garlic and chili as well.
Pieces of garlic, probably a certain variety of garlic. I don't know exactly what that is, but yeah, little baby garlics. I guess it comes from here, possibly.
Oh yeah.
This is dried garlic right here. Yeah, use that in the cooking.
Yeah, and then there's also this. Do you know what this is? It's kind of spicy.
There's some kind of chili peppers here. And they put in these little bags, so it's easy. It's like this is probably like 10 baht, which is like 33 cents or something like that. So they do that often here. It's do it by the bag. They don't just weigh it out. They just boom. How much is that? That's probably $1. Easier that way. In most morning markets, Korea too, other places, we'll have some place that will have some food you can buy for the hungry people. So we'll take the noodle shop here.
If there's any Liverpool fans, they're gonna love that sign up there. The Never Walk Alone Liverpool. What are they doing here? They're making noodles, eh?
Yeah. What you come? Alright. 18 baht, so that's 50 cents.
Wow.
right? Big one. Classic. This is 50 baht, so that's about $1.30 or so. Big basket of fresh noodles.
Wow.
Look at the noodle machine right here. Wow.
Got a Liverpool sign right there as well. Pretty cool. Thank you. Prachuap, Khiri. So we're in a market. We're kind of in. We're actually really close to the ocean. Probably like close, maybe within a 3 to 4 minute walk. And you got this morning market here. This serves probably all the Prachuap Khiri.
More big bags of chili.
Oh yeah.
Hold on.
Spicy.
Huh? 80
Oh,
80 baht.
80 baht. That's it.
More garlic. Here we go. Here's a 20 baht bagger.
Ah,
So that's about 75 cents.
there's a 100 one.
There's a big 100. $3.
How long would that last you if you got that?
About a week.
Oh, you would need to find your drink as well, right?
Yeah, I'm looking for a cafe boran. What do you have? Me cafe boran.
กาแฟโบราณอ๋อข้างนอก
Ah,
ข้างนอกนู่นเลยทำเลย
Outside? Okay, yeah, okay. Double cup.
let's go find this.
Outside somewhere.
Oh, it could be over there.
Yeah, maybe.
Looks like
Look at that. Beautiful. Rainbow.
แดงๆคือครึ่งโลเลยได้กี่ครึ่ง
let's head on over there.
ร้อนไปน้อง
He's looking for a certain drink that's well known in this market that his friend was telling him about. So yeah, right over on the other side of this is the ocean. The other side of this set of buildings right in front of us. So yeah, morning market. Probably about 9 in the morning right now, I think. Ooh, I think he might be in his area.
ชาไทยใส่ถุงใส่แก้วถุงปกติ
How much is it?
เขามา35 บาท
35 baht, so about a dollar for one of these.
Oh, okay.
Very nice. Okay. Maybe later we'll get one of these. Okay.
ไม่หนูไม่ชัวร์ไงว่าป้าจะเอา
นี่อันนี้หรือว่าเดี๋ยวมาหรือว่า
You want fresh fish? Boom. Put it in the
Oh,
fryer.
there's also some
ลุงยิ้มหวานเลยลุง
How much? Hold on. Hold on.
ผมงาม4 feet
Yeah, how much?
100
100 baht. Okay, so about $3 for this
Oh.
monster fish.
Oh,
Let's get
Thank
a
you.
coffee boat on over here. Couple cups. Here's my coffee. Somebody back here making coffee. It's only 10 baht for one.
Wow, 10 baht.
It's like 33 cents. Okay, bro. You speak Chinese? Nidnoy? Nidnoy? Okay. I live in China. Zhongguo. I live. My friend too. Yeah. Guangdong, Macau. Hong Kong next to it. Okay. Okay. Maybe can I sit down? Can I sit? Alright, I just got a black coffee here. This is 33 cents, about 30 cents. And it's a cafe boran, but you can add milk or sugar also, and it's basically made like this. It's made in this bag. It's very strong. So if you like coffee, come here. Come to one of these places, ask for a cafe boran, and be ready. It's going to blast you off. Okay.
So that's us for the market. So hope you enjoyed this one. And that's another one from Thailand. You just saw another spot, and we're going to be doing lots more Thailand. So keep on coming back and checking it all out. And I got lots of videos. Usually I'm in Macau, but of course all of these are in Thailand. Enjoy them.
Toma cuidado la voz